Get on board with crypto. Sheesh. Hello, everybody. It's another episode of Blast Off with Rams. Blasting off today. As you can see in this Bitcoin chart, we are blasting off. And before we get into anything else, I want to say thank you to everybody out there who has been watching my content, commenting, sharing, subscribing. Yes, thank you. Thank you so very much. Feedback in the comments section is always a plus. I don't care if you have to shit talk my face, if you gotta say something very nice about my face, that'd be nice too. But constructive criticism is great. I like it. It allows people to learn something from a new perspective that they didn't learn before. And if it's something meaningful, then I will change something. I will try to do something a little bit different. I do want to try to sound a lot more exciting in these episodes. So the more that we grow in this space, I believe the more my demeanor will change over time. And I'm happy. I'm stoked. I'm happy. Okay? So let's get into this chart here. It is a very tiny looking chart here. It has a lot of jam-packed information on here. So what we can do is make it bigger. Bigger. Bigger is better. Ha ha ha. Move to Texas. Just kidding. I don't live there. But as you can see, we've had some upward momentum. And this is the daily chart here. This is the daily chart. So we've had some extremely upward momentum. We've had a few pullbacks from day to day. But ultimately, we are up in the last week or so, and it's great. It's awesome. Now, the bot that I created about a week ago, since I looked at it earlier, it has been 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days ago. So I made something within this candle. I don't know the exact price. I did make it on the video, and then I kind of tweaked it. I wasn't feeling as comfortable as I was with what I had originally put, so I did tweak it just a little bit. And actually, if I didn't, I'd probably be sitting a little prettier. Fancy that. But yeah. So this is the Bitcoin chart. It has been doing really well. I am completely bullish. There are many different things going on in the charts, and we are looking to do something pretty heavy here. So I'm going to keep this bot running a little bit longer until we see a different momentum here. If we seem to be just kind of consolidating, I might end the bot, take the profit, increase the bot's amount of money so that way I can make more along the way. That is pretty much what I'm attempting to do here. As you can see, this is my Bitcoin bot, and we have a long way to go until it's really finished. Because I have it set to 100,000, I honestly believe Bitcoin will go that way. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Please do your own research before you put any of your money or assets into the market, because you can get wrecked. I have gotten wrecked. You might see this later on. The more that we progress with this channel, I will show you practically everything that I do at some point or another. It is great. So this is my Bitcoin bot. We will get back. Let's get back into the details of it. So here we go. We're going to go into the details of this bot. This is my bot. We're at pretty much an all-time high for this bot, and it's only been running for about a week. So the all-time high was 22.6%, and right now I'm sitting at about 20%. I mean, 7 days, 20%? You can't do that in the stock market. No way. Well, you probably could. You probably could if you're doing special calls and whatnot, but that market doesn't necessarily change as dramatically as these do. Thousands of dollars doesn't happen. Just doesn't happen. So as you can see, my price range is from 35,000 to 100,000. So if my price dips below a certain area, it will essentially stop trading. And I have a liquidation price at 44,607. So if I hit that point right now, I lose my entire position. I will get wrecked. I will be wrecked. Now, do I think it will go down there? No. Can it? Could. It's done it before, so why wouldn't it be able to? So just keep that stuff in mind, and you do need to manage your risk by doing that. So if you think it's a risky trade, you don't feel comfortable, maybe you shouldn't be doing that trade. But again, this is not financial advice. Do all that stuff on your own time. You can use my bots if you choose. I don't think I have mine actually listed. You can actually follow people on Phoenix. I don't have an account like that. I just don't think I have enough money to do that. Because I don't have like $20,000, but I will actually leave in the description below my referral link if you choose to use it. I don't get anything from it actually. It's just kind of nice, I guess, if someone happens to be doing well enough and they get $20,000 into their account plus and they start making profit, then it's kind of nice. But I don't have any of that. I don't have any friends that have that. I don't have anybody in the list of people that used my referral link that are doing that. So that's just not a thing. So if we take a look at my other bot, Dot, which I know has been struggling for quite a time, so let's open up this chart and we can see wham bam holy ma'am, like wow, look at that. 1, 2, 3 massive candles in the hourly charts, and that was probably yesterday. Let's see. Yeah, yesterday. Even into 2 days ago. So today's the 14th, yesterday was the 13th. So yeah, we saw a massive move with the polka dot. Man, they've been hovering around $30 for a while, and it's good to see that they're doing a little pump back show. So the details of this bot, price range is from $12 to $100. Now I have been considering removing this bot and then redoing the bot, since I'm at 63%, I'm at $130 in profit. That is a good point to circle back and attempt to make more money on that. But this bot took a long time to get into the profit, and as you can see here, like I was in the red for quite some time. So like a month in the red. So from when, let's see. Okay, they just keep disappearing on me. Let's go. Okay. So pretty much since June 17th up until August 12th. So 2 whole months in the red. And that happens. That's what happens with these bots. They can do that. That's fine. Just make sure you're keeping an eye on your liquidation price. This bot is a grid bot, so it doesn't necessarily have one. Let's make sure there isn't a liquidation price in here somewhere else. Yeah. So this, in the course of the entirety of this, it's made 223 trades. It's a lot of trades, and it's made 1 today. So in the last 24 hours, rather. It's been good. It's been good. This bot has been doing really good. It's been slow and steady. I like that, except for when they're in the red. But if they're in the red, just let them go. Just let them go. You know, if you find that the trend is no longer your friend, you should probably back out. But try not to get wrecked out there. That's what these bots are for. They do it for you. So you set the parameters, and then you're able to do what you want with that. So this is one of my bots. These are all of my bots. They are doing all well, except for my Cardano at a bot. It is negative. Today it's doing okay, but we'll see. We'll take a look at that let's take a look at that right now. Actually, let's just give it a shot here. These Infinity bots don't give you as much information, which is kind of lame. So profit from pricing plus profit. Yeah, I have nothing to say about this bot. It's been terrible. It's been bad. But I'm only down $5. I don't really care. I mean, if you looked at all my other ones, you can clearly see that they're all doing much higher profit range. So those are my bots. These are my bots. This is Phoenix. I will leave my referral links to just about everything I have at the moment set up. for you guys to take a look at. If you guys would like to utilize the things that I utilize, go ahead. Otherwise, definitely do your own research before putting your money out there, because you can get wrecked. Don't get wrecked. Please don't get wrecked. Also, in the comments, if you guys would like me to talk about anything at all, I know this should probably start doing this in the beginning of these, but leave a comment below with something that you would like me to talk about. Because I have the things that I want to talk about, but I don't know what you guys are interested in. So please leave a like, please leave a comment, please share this video, please subscribe to the channel. Click that bell button and all so you get all of the updates as soon as these come out. I try to do them at least once a week. I try to do more. This is not the only thing that I do, so we'll leave it at that. Till then, keep blasting off. Get on board with crypto. Sheesh.